list of components are: first, 16 by 12 LCD module, second, DS18B20 temperature sensor, the third one is the rotatory potentiometer, and the fourth and the last is LED bulb, which will give the output of the circuit. Now let us see the connections of the program. First, the ground wire is connected with the first horizontal line to make this whole horizontal line a ground. Second, the 5 volt is connected with the second horizontal line to make the whole horizontal line 5 volt. This positive negative further connected with the last horizontal line. The ground is connected with the second last horizontal line. Now let us see the connections of the 16 by 12 module. Here, the first is ground is connected with the ground. Second, the power is connected with the power. Third, the contrast is connected with the potentiometer, so that it display is controlled by it. Here RS connected with the 12th output pin. Here, then read and write is connected with the ground. Then enable is connected with the 11th digital output pin, and then DB4 is connected with the 5th output pin, and D5 with 4, and so on. And the LED anode is connected with a resistance of 10 kilo ohm, and then LED cathode is connected with the ground. And let's see the wiring of the temperature. The anode is connected with the 5 volt, and the Vout is connected with the A1 output pin. And here the third ground is connected with the ground. Next, for LED, the cathode is connected with the ground. It is connected with the 1 ohm resistor, as you can see this 1 kilo ohm resistor, and it is connected with the 8th output. Next, potentiometer. The potentiometer is connected with the positive terminal. The central is connected with the second is connected with the contrast, and the third one is connected with the ground. As you can see, the contrast is connected with the second pin, and the third pin is connected with the ground. See the code for the simulation. First, we include the liquid crystal.h, which is the header file for LCD. Then we use the liquid crystal LCD for input of LCD in form of first RS 12, EN 11, then D4 for 5, then D5 for 4, then D6 for 3, then D7 for 2. Okay. Then we will use the float value. Here the value will be the value for temperature. Next, we will decide the input pins: A1 for temperature, 8 for LED. Then in the setup, output display for LED 8. Next, this is the pin mode. L for LED output, pin mode, temperature is input. Then the main code for reading the temperature, and the temperature can be read from -55 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius. Here it will read the analog voltage from sensor and save to the variable temperature. It will convert the analog voltage to temperature equivalent by multiplying by this constant. Then we will use the code to display the output of temperature. LCD cursor dot set to 01, then print temp, then print value. The value is the temperature of the sensor. Then there is a delay, then the main condition to be satisfied. If the value is greater than 70, then the LED will show the output as shown. So now let us check the output of the coding. Here you can change the dial of the potentiometer from this point to this. You can increase it to change the contrast so that the LED can show the output. You can stop where it is showing output. It is showing me output here, so I will leave it here. As you can see, it is showing me 24 degrees Celsius. So now let me decrease the temperature to the lowest. Now I will start increasing the temperature slowly by slowly. You can see that I have increased the temperature to 78 degrees and the LED has started glowing. due temperature is 78 here. I have increased the temperature to 94. Now LED is still blinking. You can see the temperature here is also 94, hence our code is running correctly. Now let me increase the temperature slightly more. The temperature is 116. You can see it here as well. LED is still blinking. Let me decrease this slightly. You can see the 71. Here also 70. It is still blinking. Now let me slightly bring it down below 70. Now you can see it is 58 and LED has stopped blinking. Hence our code is running perfectly